lately, probably some farmers, have been collecting maybe small heads, just seed, maybe 2-3 heads of cattle. But this is the only one of its size. It has got probably around 100, mature. The idea came from Abdullahi Farah. He is a very, respectable businessman of Somaliland. He's the guy who has, seen the need for a dairy farm of its kind. So it can be also a pioneering, project as well. This project is composed of 3 major pieces. One is a farm, one is a head of 100 mature Holstein, breed, and a processing plant. Somalis, in general, they are nomads, herdsmen and herdspeople. And of course, milk is one of a very stable part of their diet. So you can imagine, the whole population in the urban areas, all of them are looking for, some sources of milk. Now also there has been a lot of transformations that has taken place in Somaliland since the civil war, whereby, the urban centers are really overpopulated, and many of the, nomads have, abandoned their lifestyles. Then they are here also living here. So the need for milk and the consumption is extremely very, high. And that is one of the reasons whereby this factory is deemed to be an option that, serves not only to provide milk to the population, clean and affordable milk, but also it's, part of the, food security that every country has to, assure.